Welcome to the demonstration of the Data Issues Monitoring Dashboard, a health check platform for data developed by Perceptive Analytics, helping customer success leaders ensure data reliability by monitoring issues. This dashboard was designed for a client that operates a global B2B payments platform. It enables the customer success analytics lead to ensure data accuracy, resolve issues faster, and safeguard customer engagement. So, what kind of dashboard is this? Let's answer that. Businesses with thousands of customer accounts rely on CRM systems like HubSpot. However, customer interactions suffer when details are missing, invalid, or outdated. This dashboard addresses that problem by monitoring data health continuously, making issues visible, measurable, and actionable. Let's begin with exploring the dashboard's deliverables. We start by displaying key data quality metrics at the top. The total issues generated due to differences in the platform and HubSpot can then be viewed through the lens of various issue categories. There are four main categories. Completeness highlights records where critical details are missing or mismatched. Validity refers to entries in the wrong format, such as phone number or emails, rendering them unusable. Timeliness emphasizes data that hasn't been updated on time. Lastly, consistency identifies mismatches such as formatting errors like using O instead of 0 in phone numbers, helping to pinpoint and track the most common problems by issue subcategory within these major groups. These issues can then be tracked over a span of last 3 months to spot risks and the improvements. Following that, we now analyze the source of the issues, which involves examining various fields compared between the systems. The issue frequency for these fields is further categorized based on the previously mentioned issue types. This structured approach aids in prioritizing features with the most issues, with phone number problems being particularly notable. From here, we can drill into specific features to understand the type of issues in this case. Phone number issues are primarily due to invalid entries. Finally, we can filter the data to get to the most granular information and access each record, ensuring data reliability throughout. Now that we understand the dashboard's inspiration, let's gather some numerical insights. The dashboard reports data from July to December 2023. Here's an overview of the key performance indicators. Of the 23,010 customer accounts on the platform, 22,544 are properly synced to HubSpot, meaning nearly all accounts are loaded into HubSpot. However, 466 accounts aren't fully transferred, of which 350 errors are flagged, leading to a 98.48% of data being considered synced. Overall sync looks healthy but hides feed level issues, leaving room for improvement. Next, let's conduct a more thorough analysis to identify specific inconsistencies. Looking at the issues timeline for the last quarter, we can see a declining trend in data issues. However, there's a noticeable spike in the first week of November. Let's filter for this problematic period. The primary data issue is related to validity, followed by data completeness. The second major issue, data completeness, indicates missing information and mismatches, a high impact problem area. Click to narrow down on these 9 specific issues. The feature most affected are account type and account status. Looking at the individual feature wise breakdown, for instance, account type, we have 2 missing errors. This prompts us to click for more granular details. Finally, we arrive at the records level details where account type is null as expected and managed by different sales representatives with emails provided. This situation calls for action to contact the sales representatives and encourage them to resolve these issues swiftly to prevent data errors in the future. So, with this dashboard, the head of customer success analytics can monitor data quality to improve reliability, track data issues for faster resolution, and enhance data freshness for effective insights. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.